Hey guys, Shraddha here. So today I am going to talk about one very important topic and it's very interesting actually. So what I did yesterday, actually I was like using social media, so I got one video, that is this one. So you can see this. That's very innovative video actually. So what they are doing, they are using lace packet and other snacks packet and converting it into threads and then making out like bags out of it. You can see the bag here like this. So yeah, I just love this video. So what I did, I put this on LinkedIn with a great caption. You can read this caption. So it was a kind of copywriting for me. What do you know the meaning of copywriting? Copywriting means you are writing a caption so that you are getting good number of sales. मतलब आप कुछ ऐसा कैप्शन लिख रहे हो कि जो भी पढ़ रहा है उस चीज़ को उसको आप एंगेज कर रहे हो अपनी पोस्ट पे, वो उसको एंड तक पढ़ रहा है और फाइनली आपका जो भी बोलते हैं ना CT कॉल टू एक्शन है। जैसे इसमें अगर मैंने इस कंपनी की वेबसाइट का लिंक डाला हुआ, सॉरी इनके लिंक्डइन पेज का लिंक डाला हुआ है, तो मे बी इसमें लोग फॉलो करने लगेंगे या तो फिर इस कंपनी की वेबसाइट को विजिट करके उसमें डोनेट करने लगेंगे, दोनों में से एक काम करेंगे। या तो मे बी उसमें से प्रोडक्ट्स भी खरीद सकते हैं क्योंकि ये प्रोडक्ट्स बना के बेचते भी है ना। तो मतलब ये हो जाता है CTA कॉल टू एक्शन। अपन जो भी कॉपी राइटिंग लिखते हैं, जो भी कंटेंट राइटिंग, इवन जो भी अपन पोस्ट डालते हैं, इवन पोस्ट भी अगर अपन कब करते हैं सोशल मीडिया, वी नीड फॉलोअर्स, or if we are working for any company, so we need followers a page of our company's page, or maybe we need say some kind of conversions in that. So yeah, so you can see this now. You know what, within 24 hours it has started doing great. So now you can see we have got around 4,33,826 impressions, then 9712 reacts, 311 comments, and 602 shares. 602 shares is a huge number. When it comes to sharing something, it would be hardly, I think, 5, 10, hardly 50, 60. Like what would be the highest account for such a video that I am posting from my personal account, where I have maybe 34,000 to 35,000 number of followers. So yeah, but here I have got 602 shares because first thing, my copywriting, that is the caption that I use, is so engaging that it made people to watch this video till the end. My caption is directly related to this video. If I am not writing proper caption, then maybe people won't be able to maybe understand what I'm trying to say, and they won't be able to comprehend what is this video related to. So yeah, I wrote whatever comes in my mind that time. So I just wrote it in a nice manner, and it has started doing well. So yeah, you can see this. Now what I want to share with you is, you can see this. Now you can see the changing count. You can see 9712. I am touching on view. See, it was 9712. Now it's 9763. Let's go back once again. Okay, it's 9767. Okay, let's touch it. Let's touch it again and see. 9767. Okay, remember, it was 9767, now it is 9770, that is 3. So you can see within seconds there is an increment in the number of likes or reacts or maybe engagement, impressions. So yeah, that's great. So if you, I am not saying or what should I say, that if you are posting this video, so there may be some different kind of call to action for you. First is you need good follow space, or second is you want maybe followers for your company's page, or you want conversions. Next is, I would say, that I have learned from LinkedIn is, after this video I have started getting lot of opportunities, options, like you have written great caption, so would you like to do copywriting for like for a company and all these things. So if you are writing such kind of content, it's okay if you are sharing one video, but writing great content, or say doing copywriting, is a great thing. I am not at all promoting this video here. I am not at all gaining anything out of this video, but I just like this video. I just put it in my LinkedIn post and I shared it like among audience. And yeah, the main thing I liked is people started like engaging through comments. Then downside, you can see this company has started like taking over the comments. So it was a kind of help, it was very helpful for me because I need not to look for for the questions that people are asking. So these people, maybe this company can like reply for that questions in a better way rather than me. So yeah, you can see this. So I found this really very great. So they have commented multiple times, like multiple times, wherever there is some kind of questions. So they have started replying for it. So yeah, I would say you can also do this, and this is also very helpful if you are looking for any opportunity and you want to get in touch with any HR or recruiter. You are not at all using any premium LinkedIn account. My account is like for this month it's not LinkedIn premium, it's free account. So yeah, you can do this, and obviously you will be, firstly you will be loving it, sharing content, making content, sharing among audience. And yes, you will be getting good kind of engagement, and also you will be getting a lot of opportunities out of it. Now let's play this game again. I am just loving it. So it's 9771. Let's touch view. It's 9815. Can you imagine, like within pick of seconds, or maybe I think 30 to 40 seconds, we are getting around 100 likes, reacts. So it's 9823 now. I'm touching it. 9823. I'm touching it now. 27. So yeah, that's great. So yeah, if you like this video and if you find this relevant for your like for your purpose, just subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come up with any topic, just let me know. I will be covering that topic too. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I am hoping that this video will be helpful for you. Bye bye. Take care.